Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for clicking, and thank you very much to all the new subscribers. I've come out today for exercise, rucking, or whatever you want to call it, tabbing, yomping, got many names. But this video, I bought a new pack. I have a new Bergen. It's armysurplus. I actually bought it off Vinted, guys. It cost £20. I've looked around various websites. I've looked on eBay, etc. as well, and they're round about the same price. Now I think personally this is a very overlooked pack. It's 60 litres, it's in DPM, and it's got many names. One of the names is the combat handbag. That might ring a bell with a few of you. It's been called the turtle. It's been called the turtleback. I know it as the Other Arms Bergen. See? What it is, it's a Bergen for non-combat soldiers. Engineers usually. But I bought the pack. I've always seen it. Never actually seen one in the flesh. It's a good pack, guys. I'm going to show you now in a minute, but what I want to do first, before we actually look at the pack, I wanted to take it out on a hike, a tab, whatever, right? I wanted to take it out first. It's like a short pack, it is. Now I'm short myself, so yes, perfect. Now, it will sit very well on top of webbing. That's one thing, it'll sit very well on top of webbing, you know, to relieve the stress on the shoulders a bit. But I'm just going to take it out now as it is. It is filled, it weighs £35. That's all my kit, plus I've added weight. But I'm going to take it out now on a 7-mile tab, and we'll come back, we'll strip it down, and we'll have a really good look at it. Let's go. So with this pack, guys, this Other Arms Bergen, when I purchased it, it didn't come with rocket pockets, but rocket pockets can be attached on the sides, as you normally would on a Bergen, but they can also be attached underneath and on top, so you can add literage, no problem at all. One thing I will say about this pack, it's very well padded on the back. Very well padded. We'll have a look at that soon. We're 3.5 miles in now, guys. All's good. Feels good. Feels good on the back. I'm happy with that. So I've done a few shuffles along this straight path here, you know, and it feels good, guys. Really impressed with it, to be honest, so far. Yeah, it feels really comfy. I say we'll have a really good look at the padding on the back. Excellent. So let's have a better look at the pack. So obviously there's the pack there. See the DPM pattern. It's got these two grab handles here, guys, because it also can act as a duffel bag. It's got zips there for your rocket pockets, or what I use, my mesh pockets. On the one side, as you can see, I've got a bladder, 3 litres. Fits in there nicely. I can also get other kit in there if I wanted to. Going on to the other side, there's the other pocket. I got various items in there. Got my Bergen cover, and I've got a cook set with a brew kit in. Here's the shoulder straps. They're 2.5 inches thick. Sorry, 2.5 inches wide. They're quite stiff they are, guys. Obviously because it's a newish pack. I don't even think it was a shoot. There's the padding there, look, along the lower back. It's immense, it is. Here's your hip belt, standard, with the standard clips. What this is here, guys, this is a roll down flap, and there's velcro on the sides where it connects to. You can hide away all these straps and use it as a duffel bag, like so. Right, guys, so we're back on tarmac. So far so good with the pack. It's really good. Let's go. There we go, guys. So I took it out on a 7-mile tab hike, jump, whatever, right? Felt really good. It felt exceptionally good with the padding on the back. Yeah, really good. I think it'll do wonderful when you're going on camps with a belt kit as well, because it does, obviously the weight in there, 35 pounds, it is pulling back slightly, so you need something around your waist to support it. But what I'll do now, I'll get off home, have a shower and things, then we'll have a little chat about it. Right, so we're back home now, guys. I'll have a shower later. So just looking down on the top here, right, so we got these utility straps on the top. Pop, pop, just thread them through there. Sorry about that, I'm sneezing. Right, so that just comes off there. That's your ISO mat, okay? Right, so looking down on top of the pack, this is pretty unique here, right? You've got this velcro flap here, look. So wear the flap to the top zip That's extra protection from the rain there. Velcros on nicely. So going into the main compartment, which is just a single compartment, right guys, what you've got to do is you've got to unzip one of the sides of the rocket pockets, and these zips, let me show you, bring you round. So the zips only go halfway down, which is enough. That's my dry bag inside. That's my everything I need for a camp. See, you've got to sort of partially unzip the rocket pockets to get access. In the back compartment, guys, you've got a utility pouch. Put some items in. Like I've got ammo on. I'm trying to do so one hand, guys. Can't afford an assistant yet. I've got my saw, my knife, and various other things. I've got my my grill tray. I've got my flat plate, which is aluminium. So they all slide on there perfectly. You can actually, if you want to, not that you need to, but if you really needed to, so you had a bad back or have you could push down in there some more foam padding for extra protection. So there's a label: rucksack, Other Arms, DPM, IRR, 2011, and there's a serial number there. So that's under the stone flap. What you can also do with this pack, guys, if you wanted to condense it down with the rocket pockets, if you didn't have the rocket pockets on it, just zip them together. So what I'll do, compress it down inside, and you could use it as a duffel bag then. That's just my sit mat there, guys. So that pad there, that piece of material there, rolls down to cover the flaps, as I said earlier, if you want to use it in duffel bag configuration. So as I said at the beginning of the video, I think it's a very overlooked piece of army surplus. Fantastic. It was great for tabbing. That was even without the webbing. Great it was. So there is the combat handbag. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out, sauerkraut. Boom!